Good evening, everyone. Employment fair to be organized at ITI Rawaldi on May 28. Three companies will recruit for about 450 posts. Charkhi Dadri. May 26, as per the orders of the Skill Development and Industrial Training Department, Haryana, an employment fair will be organized at the Government Industrial Training Institute, ITI Rawaldi, on May 20 at 10 a.m. This phase were being organized under the joint aegis of various departments with the aim of providing employment opportunities to the youth in the district. Our committee has also been formed under the chairmanship of additional deputy commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal, and on the instructions of the chairman of the committee. For the first time in the district, several departments are organizing an employment fair together. These mainly include ITI Rawaldi, Kalali, Sator, Chapar, Polytechnical, MSME, and District Industries Center at Extra. Giving information about the employment fair, the spokesperson said that an employment fair will be organized at the Rawaldi ITI campus on Wednesday, May 28, in which mainly three companies are coming for recruitment. Around 450 posts are to be recruited by these companies in the fair. These include the GRL Engineering Private Limited of Hisar, Sri Ram Piston Limited of Bhiwadi, and Elena Auto Industries Private Limited of Delhi. Continuous intensive investigation is being done to stop illegal mining. Haryana government is taking strict steps against illegal mining, and the mining department is constantly monitoring it. As per the instructions of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, the Director General of the department, K.M. Pandurang, himself is monitoring the activities of the mining department and issuing necessary guidelines. The main goal of the government is to make the mining process completely transparent and eradicate illegal mining from its roots. According to the district mineral officer, illegal vehicles are being caught in the action taken at various places by the team of the mining department under the departmental investigation campaign. He said that the Haryana government is fully committed to stop illegal mining and is keeping a constant watch at the departmental level. He said that as per the guidelines of higher officials, the district administration has clarified that a strict campaign will continue to stop illegal mining. Under this surprise, inspections are being conducted in various areas and strict action is being taken against the culprits. The main objective of this campaign is to make mining activities transparent and prevent irregular exploitation of natural resources. The Haryana government is determined that illegal mining will not be tolerated in the state under any circumstances, and strict legal action will be taken against this responsible for it. Apply for the highest civilian award by July 31st. Padam Vibhushan, Padam Bhushan, and Padam Shri will be announced on Republic Day. Online applications have been invited by the Ministry of Affairs for Padam Awards like Padam Vibhushan, Padam Bhushan, and Padam Shri to be announced on the occasion of Republic Day 2026, for which the last date has been kept as July 31st, 2025. Nominations and recommendations will be expected online only on the National Award portal award.gov.in. An explanatory citation maximum at 100 words is also required to be submitted by the person making the nomination, which clearly mentions the distinguished and underachievement services of the recommended person in the relevant field subject. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has said in this regard that joint efforts should be made to identify those talented individuals from among women, weaker sections of the society, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, Divyang people, and people who have selflessly served the society, whose excellence really deserves respect. He said that Padam Awards, yani Padam Vibhushan, Padam Bhushan, and Padam Shri are among the highest civilian awards of the country. These awards, established in the year 1954, are announced every year on the occasion of Republic Day. These awards are given to recognize outstanding work for distinguished and extraordinary achievement services in all fields, subjects like art, literature and education, sports, medicine, social work, science and engineering, public work, civil services, business, and industry. All persons are eligible for these awards without any discrimination of caste, occupation, position, and gender. Government employees working in public sector undertakings expect doctors and scientists are not eligible for Padam Awards. More detail in this regard are available on the website Padam padmaawards.gov.in. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, IAS, and Additional District Session Judge Hisar, Dr. Parminder Kaur, and Bhiwani Deputy Commissioner Mahavir Kosik will inaugurate HCH Free Mahila Shakti Chess Championship on 27th May at PM Sri Government Girls Senior Secondary School located at Katmandi, Charkhi Dadri. Chess competition will be held between Mahila Shakti players of seven district. Battle of Checkmate on May 27. Women will complete in through 26 2025 under the mission of establishing healthy, bright, new and safe chess of Haryana Chess Association HCA's free inter-district Mahila Shakti Chess Championship will be organized on 27th May. For this free online registration process is going on the HCA website. All participating players will have to register free online at www.in India Chess Organization. Bhiwani, Mahendragarh, Rewari, Rohtak, Hisar, Jhajjar and Charkhi Dadri district will show their strength in the city. During this, a message of de-addiction will be given to the children of slums boy, connecting them with education and chess. The competition will be inaugurated on 27 May by Dadri Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, IAS, and additional district session judge Hisar Dr. Parminder Kaur and Bhiwani Deputy Commissioner Mahavir Kosik as chief guests. HCA chess competition starts from 27th May. Haryana Chess Association HCA State General Secretary Brahmachari Kuldeep Satranj said that the HCA Championship will be held on 27th May at PM Sri Government Girls Senior Secondary School in Dadri. Players from 5 districts of the state will participate in the championship. This competition based on the rules of World Chess Federation will have 3 rounds based on the switch system. The competition will start on 27th May at 10 a.m. All the rounds of the competition will be live and will be telecasted on www.indianchess.org. HCA has formed a committee for the championship, which includes schools, principals, and HCA officials. Free entry for poor and disabled under HCS mission to establish healthy, bright, innovative, and safe chess. A rule has been set for free entry for poor players, Divyang, handicapped women, disabled journalists, and their family member in the state. All the winners of the competition will given medals and certificates by HCA. Necessary steps are taken by HCA from time to time to encourage the players. HCA provides free training to the players of the state to prepare chess experts. Players of 3 age groups will be able to participate. Women players of 3 age groups under 13, 19, and open category will be able to participate in the competition. For under 13 age group, the player should be born on and after 1st January 2012, and for under 19 age group, the player should be born on and after 1st January 2006 to participate in the championship. For all players will have to bring their age certificate. Will them the district chess team will be selected from the winning players, which will represent the district in the HCA state level chess competition to be held in Bhiwani in June 2025. The entry expenses of the players selected for the state level competition will be borne by HCA. Free online registration will be possible. There will be free online registration for entry into the championship. All the players participating in the competition will have to register online for free on the HCA website www.indiachess.org. Bhisma pledge taken for chess. According to the Brahmachari Kuldeep Satranj, State General Secretary of Haryana Chess Association HCA, he has taken a Bhism place for chess. He will not marry throughout his life so that he can remain unmarried and serve and protect chess throughout his life. He have decided to dedicated his entire life to chess. His goal is to establish a healthy, bright, innovative and chess what the country. HCS mission 2025 will start from Bhiwani. Upcoming schedule chess annual sports calendar 2025 release chess competitions will be held in more than 4 districts every month. Haryana Chess Association HCA has released the chess sports calendar for the current year 2025 under the HCS mission to establish a healthy, bright, innovative, and safe chess world. HCA's inter-district chess championship will be organized in more than 4 districts every month in the state. These matches will be held in Charkhi Dadri, Rohtak, Hisar, Jind, Ambala, Bhiwani, etc. Complete information about the calendar can be seen from www.indiachess.org. Chess to be included in school curriculum. HCA under its mission to establish a healthy, bright, innovative, and safe chess society has prepared a plan for Haryana government to include chess as a subject in school curriculum like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Goa. In order to organize the 11th International Yoga Day on 21st June 2025 in a great manner, the training of physical teachers of government and private schools has started from today in the park located in the mini secretariat district Ayurved. Officer Dr. Rajesh Vasist said that as per the instructions of Honorable Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, in today's camp, the practice of General Yoga protocol was done to all the physical teachers of the district by Vikas Rana of Pantajali Yoga Samiti. The practice of Journal Yoga protocol was done from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Under this, asanas, pranayam, and meditation were done along with micro exercises. The training of physical teachers will last for 3 days. AEO Pawan Kumar gives special cooperation in this. So friends, thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, take care.